Assalamu alaikum. Today I will show you how to create symbol and install on Adobe Illustrator. Go to Started. At first open my symbol file. I am create application icon, this symbol. It is my symbol pack. Open it. Yes, this is my symbol. I am create it. Checking my symbol. This symbol. Open symbol library. 3D symbols. Checking my Illustrator. Check it. Okay, delete this symbol. At first, delete this background and select all object, ungroup, ungroup, ungroup. Okay, ungroup. Open symbol and select and drag and drop symbol panel. New symbol. This name. Export type. Movie clip. Change this graphics. And symbol type dynamic symbol. Registration middle path. Uncheck. Enable guides for 9 cells ceiling. Okay, click. I am create all symbol this method. Okay, this is my symbol and delete all. Okay, go to file and save as and application icon AI. Name it and click on AI and save it. Okay, and it is installed. The application icon, this is my symbol. Copy it. Go to C drive, program files, Adobe Illustrator, preset. Click this folder, symbol. Open it and paste it. Continue. Go to Illustrator and check my symbol. Create new document and open symbol. This is my symbol plate. Click this icon, open symbol library and application icon. Okay, this is my symbol. Okay, and any size uses you want. Thanks for watching. See you next tutorial.